Hello, we're at Trader Joe's and we are going to do some vegan shopping here. We have organic brown rice, quinoa and spaghetti for $3.49. Here we have the brown rice and quinoa fusilli. So we like to get these organic garbanzo beans, also known as chickpeas. And they've got the black beans and kidney beans. They also have pinto beans if you like pinto beans. Okay. And then this is closed, so I'm gonna go get an open one to show it. Okay? It's over there. And here we have coconut water from Trader Joe's, and it's not from Concentrate. This is what we like to drink.